Time for a sponsored video! We're gonna be cleaning a pair of shoes today. What shoes are we gonna be cleaning? Don't answer that. It's these. The Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 Bred in size 9.5 that I got in a Soul Supremacy beater box. Gonna try and take care of that yellowing. And just make them look good. Okay, let's do it! Please tell me you guys know what this is referencing. Excuse me, hello! Welcome to sponsored video number 2. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. Below that is my website where you can find tons of shoes for sale, and this pair will be for sale too, because we're gonna clean this today. I wanna give a gigantic Chicago-style hot dog size shout out to today's sponsor, RESHOEVN8R. RESHOEVN8R offers a wide variety of cleaning products that are safe for all your sneaker cleaning and beautification needs. The star of today's video is going to be the RESHOEVN8R Advanced Laundry System Detergent. It cleans, conditions, and removes locked-in odor to shoes that you put into the washing machine. I've never used it before, so this will be an interesting first time. And if you use my code SBMitch10 at checkout, you'll save 10% on stuff like this and all the other great products that RESHOEVN8R offers. So remember, if you don't want your shoes to look foul, that's a baseball term, right? Remember to use RESHOEVN8R and save 10% with my code SBMitch10. Why do people watch me? I don't get it. So we're gonna clean these shoes here, and then we're gonna go down to my creepy basement to wash them. So let's do that. All right, so what are we working with today? We got these things here. This Yeezy 350 V2 Bred. So let's unlace them. Good idea is to also take out the insole, which we will be washing as well. But you can see, no laces. It's not super dirty, but there is a lot of discoloration underneath. So let's take a look at what we got here to clean. So first of all, we have our RESHOEVN8R collapsible tub filled with some water. We have our RESHOEVN8R Advanced Sneaker Cleaning Solution. Two brushes we're using today are the RESHOEVN8R Stiff Bristle Brush and the RESHOEVN8R Soft Bristle Brush. This is good for knit stuff, so we're using that. I just use this for a bunch of shoes, so this is a brand new stiff brush, so I'm very excited. We're gonna be using our RESHOEVN8R laundry sneaker bags. This is what you put in the laundry. And we're gonna be using our RESHOEVN8R shoe trees. Let's put in the shoe tree first. So you can adjust it, which is really nice, so you can keep its shape. So there you go, the shoe tree's in there, keeps it nice and in shape, which is good. So let's work on the outsole first. So you're gonna take some of your advanced sneaker cleaning solution, just put a tiny bit in there. You take your stiff bristle brush and just kind of go to town on the outsole. The nice thing about this stiff bristle brush is you can just let the brush do the work, because the bristles really get into the little nooks and crannies that you get all over your shoes. So you do not want to hit the knitting with this. It will just snag it and just make loose threads all over the place. Not a great idea. So we're gonna grab our RESHOEVN8R microfiber towel to soak up all this stuff. Now we're gonna work on the upper. So you're gonna wanna grab your soft bristle brush and just hit the entire upper. The soft bristle brush works best on knits because it just really works a great lather that will clean and condition the knit uppers. Works great on Yeezys, works great on NMDs, works great on Flyknit racers and Flyknit trainers, Roshies. The other intended use for the soft bristle brush is suede, which one of these days we'll do a suede cleaning video. Let's hit the inside of this shoe too. Actually, you know what? We don't need to, because it's going in the washer. So you don't have to wash this off. This is like pre-treating when you're using the laundry system. So then, with the shoe tree still in it, pop it into your RESHOEVN8R laundry bag. If you remember too, we took out the insole, so let's hit that real quick. Ew, lint. Remember to use your soft bristle brush on the insole so to not make the numbers and letters that are on your insole come off. Pop it into your bag with the shoe. And also the laces. The laces you just kind of dip into stuff and just work a lather. Cool. Do this tighten your bag. Tighten your bag in the middle too, because there are 2 drawstrings on the bag. And this is ready for the wash. So I'm gonna clean the other one, and then we'll go down to my creepy basement. Pancake, you can't go in the basement today, but that's all right. So I've got my bag filled with the detergent and the shoes, and we're gonna go down to my creepy basement now. So let's do that. I forgot to put on a jacket. I'm gonna get sick. Ooh, this place is creepy as all get out. So we got our shoes here. Put them in the washing machine. See you later, boys. And we also have our sneaker laundry detergent. Now the nice thing about this is it's got this little, if you've seen Seth Fowler's video, you know what I'm talking about, but it has this little like chamber where it's already pre-measured, so you need an ounce, which is good. Something I noticed that is very important to me, I don't know if you guys can see it, not tested on animals. That's pretty awesome. Kudos, RESHOEVN8R. So, let's grab this. It's already pre-filled, so that's good. It's the first time using it, so obviously I gotta open it up. All right, so we already got an ounce in there, but usually you just squeeze it to make it fill up to an ounce, which is cool. And I think it's cold water or warm water. Well, it doesn't specify warm or cold water. I'm gonna assume cold because cold is always the safe way. And you just throw it in there. So we got that, we got our washer here. Make sure it's on cold, put it on regular permanent press. Let's see you in a little bit, boys. This is gonna take about 45 minutes, so I'm going to have lunch and then we'll come back and finish recording. Okay, it's been like 45 minutes, so let's go check on these shoes. See, I wised up and bundled up. Returning to the creepy basement. Here we go. Look at the bag stayed intact, and so my initial reaction is that these smell way better than they did. Like, it smells fresh and clean, which is pretty cool. So that's a big plus of the detergent system thing. Okay, so let's check these out. It's my first time using the laundry detergent stuff, so I'm interested to see how these work. Again, I can't stress enough, like I said before, like these smell awesome. They didn't smell bad before, but now they just smell fresh, which is awesome. Like, it doesn't smell like overly chemically. All right, so these are as clean as the upper gets, which is pretty awesome. So, I mean, they look great. There's still discoloration on the boost, which is gonna happen because that's just science. But man, these are way cleaner than they were before. So yeah, definitely. Whoa, these smell great. Holy cow. Definitely recommend the detergent system now that I've actually done it before. So very cool. Check out RESHOEVN8R, RESHOEVN8R.com, and remember to use my code SBMitch10 to save yourself 10% off of any RESHOEVN8R product that you might need to keep your sneakers clean or disinfected or smelling great, which this stuff smells phenomenal. So there you go. Sponsored video number 2. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Collection video on Thursday. There's going to be a lot of fun stuff going on. So thank you for checking out this video, and I will see you next time. Till then, take care of each other and remember that they're just sneakers, because that's not something to get mad about. Cool. Awesome. Thanks, guys. See you later. Bye.